There are many ways to create files in your Google Drive. Now that we have our new Google Drive account, I'm going to show you the 3 major ways to create new files. The first way is uploading. So what you're going to do is you're going to either click this new button and hit File Upload, or you can simply just have the drop-down button of My Drive and upload files as well. The most common one is using the Now button, File Upload, and then it will bring you up to all the documents that you hold in your computer. So you're going to pick any document that you choose. When you pick a document, you're going to choose, and on the bottom right screen is going to load it, and once it is uploaded, it will pop up right here. You can also double click this and it will pop up on a PDF-like file, and then you can open up with Google Docs, and that's opening up the file for your entertainment. So the second way to create a file is to take your file that you originally have and make a copy. So you'd go to File, scroll down to make a copy, and then you could copy a file, rename it anything you want, and hit OK. So when you go back to your drive, you will see that you have your original file and then the copy of that file. This is so if you need to make a duplicate to make any adjustments, or if you're starting fresh with a different concept but need to use the same template, you have that file. Another way to make a copy is if you're in the main file, like the main overview, right-click it and make a copy. And right there you have a copy again. However, this one you're going to have to right click and hit rename in order to rename it. So copy of file 2. Okay, so you have your original assignment, the copy of when you were in the actual document, and a copy from the main My Drive screen. Lastly, the next thing is click New, and you can hit either Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, or there's even a few more like Google Forms, Google Drawings, and so on, and you can create your own file from scratch. So Google Docs, and it's going to just pop up a Google Doc, and this is where you excuse my typing, here is where you start working on your documents. Okay, and then at the top of that, it's going to pop up with the very first sentence you use, but we are just going to do example 3, and smiley face for good measure. And that is it. When you go back to your My Drive, it's going to pop up right there, and it will pop up with your latest updates on the file. But there is the 3 main ways on how to create a file.